Hello, I am Dr. Eva Bhanushali. As we can see, back pain is most common complaint in either age of 50 or age of 60. So what are the reasons behind back pain? First of all, we think about any fall or any accident, but that actually never happened with us. So these are not only two components which causes the back pain. Our body ergonomics, how we sit, the way we drive the bike, the way we drive the car, and for how long we have been driving. This also causes the back pain. Today I am going to show you some basic exercise to get rid of back pain. And yes, also consult your doctor before doing this if you have had any severe injury or accident before. First of all, don't use pillow during exercise and keep your body straight. We will start with ankle toe pumps as it is most important for our blood circulation. And then we will do ankle toe rotations. First we will do clockwise and then anti-clockwise. We will do 10 repetitions of each. Bend your knees, tighten your abdomen and buttock muscle before raising it and create a straight line from your knees to shoulder. Squeeze your core and hold it for 10 seconds. हमें ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं लेना है जिससे हमारा बैलेंस बिगड़े. We will do 10 repetitions. Cup your hands behind your ears. Bend your knees. Raise only your upper and middle back off the ground. Lower back should remain grounded and your core should feel tense. Hold if you can, otherwise it is okay. We will do 8 to 10 repetitions of this exercise. Bend your knees, keep your upper body firm against the floor. Gently rotate your both bent knees to the one side. Hold for few seconds at the end range. Do it alternatively. We will do 10 repetitions. Can help relieve tension in lower back and trunk and improve stability. Bend your legs above the ground such that they form 90-degree angle. Knees stuck together. Spread arm flat and wide. Slowly twist your knee on both sides. Keep both shoulders as flat as possible. Hold if you can, otherwise it is okay. Repeat 10 times. Lay on your side with your forearm on the floor with your elbow located right under the shoulder. Then lift your pelvis and legs off the ground. Your upper body should be aligned with your lower body. Hold this position for desired time. We will do 8 to 10 repetitions of side plank. It will help you to improve your balance. Kneel down and keep your feet behind you. Your forehead should lay on the ground with arms in front. Stay in this position for up to 20 to 30 seconds for maximum relief. You will feel a good stretch. What it does is give the spine a nice stretch and take the pressure off your low back and providing instant relief. Lie down on your tummy, lift off your elbow and straighten your arm to arch your back. Hold if you can, otherwise it is okay. Come back down slowly into the elbow prone position. Repeat it for 8 to 10 times. Lie down on your stomach, raise both hand and feet, lifting it off the floor to engage core muscle. Keep your head straight and look up. Okay, so if you are having neck or cervical condition, then look at the floor to avoid neck injuries. Don't let your limb touch the ground. Hold for few seconds, repeat 10 times. Consult with your doctor if you have had a really bad injury before. Can increase the hold time for variations. Lie on your tummy, place hands by your chest, palm facing down. Raise and straighten your arm while arching your back. Lower limb should be in contact with ground. Face the ceiling. Hold as maximum as you can. Slowly down and don't give a jerk. Take more caution in approaching this exercise in severe injuries. Cobra pose or Bhujangasana is mainly for strengthening and stretching. Start on your hand and knees, bridging your stomach toward the floor as you arch your back, drawing your chin toward ceiling. Hold for few seconds and then drawing your chin to your chest. You will feel a gentle stretch throughout your back. Repeat this 10 times. This cat and camel stretch will show you a good result in low back pain. Begin with tabletop position. Raise your right arm and left leg, keeping your shoulders and hips parallel to the floor. Hold it for few seconds and lower back down to the starting position. Do it alternately. We will do 8 to 10 repetitions. It improves stability, promotes proper posture and strengthening of our core, back and hip muscle and relieves back pain. From morning till night, we are doing everything in flexion, so we have to extend our back. This position will help you to reduce back pain. Be in this position for 15 to 20 minutes once or twice a day while using mobile or watching TV. Use round pillow if you have, otherwise it is okay.